Welcome to today's Explainer. We're going to be diving into 3 incredibly useful but honestly sometimes kind of tricky words in the English language: either, neither, and both. By the end of this video overview, you'll know exactly how and when to use them with absolutely perfect grammar. Let's jump right in.
So imagine you're looking right at 2 choices. Over here, we've got tea, and over there, juice. Now, how exactly does English handle it when we want to talk about choosing just one of them? Maybe none of them? Or even grabbing the 2 of them together? Well, let's find out.
Let's kick things off with our very first word, either. Basically, either means just one of 2 choices. Think of it like this: if only one of those choice cards on your screen lights up, that's either. Honestly, it doesn't even matter if it's the tea or the juice. Either literally just means exactly one of the options you're looking at.
Moving on, we have neither. Now, neither means not one and not the other. You can think of it as a solid 0 out of the 2 choices. Notice how nothing lights up for this one. If you're looking at the tea and the juice and thinking, nope, neither for me, then you want 0 of the options.
And finally, we've got both. Both is all about taking the 2 things together. In this case, you'd see the 2 choice cards lighting up at the exact same time. So if you want that tea and you also want the juice, well, you're choosing both.
Okay, now this is absolutely crucial, so keep your eyes on the screen. This is where a lot of learners get stuck: the grammar rules for singular and plural agreement. We have a really strict rule here. Either and neither are singular. That means they always pair with singular verbs, like is. But both? Well, because it means 2 together, it's plural, so it pairs with plural verbs like are. Let's take a look at our first model example. Either answer is possible. Take a quick second to really process that. Notice how the word either pairs right up with the singular noun answer, and that singular verb is.
All right, let's read the next one together. Neither answer is correct. Just like we saw before, neither demands that singular noun answer and the singular verb is. They stick together like glue.
Let's check out another singular example using either. You can sit on either chair. Take a close look at the grammar we're using here. Notice we say chair, singular, and definitely not chairs. Why? Because either means just one of those 2 choices. Okay, time to shift gears a bit. Both answers are correct. I really want to emphasize that plural noun answers with the s at the end, and the plural verb are. Remember, because both literally means 2, everything that follows it absolutely must agree in the plural form.
Now, this brilliantly points out a super common mistake. Take a look at the incorrect grammar on the left side. Both answer is correct. We know for a fact that's wrong because both requires plurals. Now compare that right to the correct version on the other side. Both answers are correct. Nailing down that exact difference is what's going to level up your English.
The 3-question challenge.
All right, it is time to actually test what we've just learned. Here's your very first challenge. You need to choose the right word to start this sentence. Neither or both students are ready. Go ahead, take a second, and lock in your answer.
And the correct answer is both students are ready. Now, why is that? Let's break the sentence down. We've got the plural noun students and the plural verb are. And as we just learned, a plural verb absolutely demands the word both. Really great job if you got that one right. Moving right along to challenge number 2. For this one, I need you to play detective. Spot and fix the grammar mistake in this sentence. Either books are fine. Look really closely at the noun and the verb. Take a second to find the error.
Okay, let's look at the correction. The fixed sentence should be, either book is fine. Remember that golden rule we highlighted earlier? Either means one of 2, so it always requires a singular noun, book, and a singular verb, is. We've made it to your final challenge. It's a classic fill in the blank. Complete this sentence. Blank option is perfect, so choose another one. Really think about the logic of the entire sentence here. Got it? Lock it in. Let's unveil the answer. It is neither option is perfect, so choose another one. But why neither? Well, actually, if you look at the second half of the sentence, it tells you to choose another one. That totally implies that 0 of your current options are acceptable. And as we know, 0 out of 2 means we have to use neither. So the whole shebang is captured right here in this quick visual review. Either means one of 2, and it takes singular agreement. Neither means 0 of 2, and it also takes singular agreement. And both means 2 together, taking plural agreement. Honestly, I'd highly recommend taking a quick screenshot of this right now.
Because if you can master just these 3 simple but incredibly powerful words, what other complex choices will you be able to explain flawlessly in English tomorrow? Keep up the fantastic practice, and I will see you in the next explainer.